Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will talk about top 14 morning habits to make your skin glow with radiance. 1. Cleanse your face thoroughly before bedtime. It is very important to clean all makeup residue, dirt and oil before going to bed. On days when you feel too tired, at least use a makeup removal wipe or baby wipe to clean the face. It is often better to do a thorough cleansing process. It opens up the clogged pores, lets the skin breathe, and thus the skin looks full of life in the morning. Just as sleep helps your body to heal and restore energy for the next day, rest allows your skin to rejuvenate. That is, if it's left free to breathe and produce natural, moisturizing sebum, and most importantly, allows evening skincare products to work their magic in tandem with that vital shut-eye. Leaving makeup on your skin overnight, even if it's natural makeup, can cause the skin to become sore or irritated. When makeup clogs the pores, sebum cannot work properly and instead builds up on top of the skin, which can cause your skin to look tired and dull the next day. You can also majorly break out by leaving makeup on while you sleep, especially if you have naturally oily skin. Makeup that is left in contact with your eyes overnight can sometimes cause infections due to the buildup of bacteria that occurs, causing your skin to become inflamed, sore and irritated. It's certainly not recommended if you wear contacts, and don't take those out either. In addition to removing all makeup from your face, there are other things that need to be cleaned off your face at the end of the day. 2. Follow this skincare routine. Wash your face. Morning and night, rinse your face water and rub a small amount of gentle cleanser between clean palms. Massage faces wash all over your face using gentle pressure. Rinse your hands and massage your face with water to rinse your face until you've removed the cleanser and grime. Gently pat your face dry with a soft towel. If you wear makeup, you may need to cleanse twice at night. Apply serum. Morning is a great time to use a serum with antioxidants, like a brightening vitamin C serum, because they protect your skin from free radicals you'll encounter throughout the day. Nighttime is a good time to use a moisturizing serum with hyaluronic acid, which keeps your skin from drying out at night, especially if you're using anti-aging or acne treatments that can irritate and dry out the skin. Use spot treatment. It's a good idea to use acne spot treatments at night, when your body is in repair mode. Be wary of layering acne-fighting ingredients like benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acids with retinol, which can cause irritation. Instead, make sure you're doing the most to keep skin calm and hydrated. Moisturize. Moisturizer both hydrates skin and locks in all the other layers of product you've applied. Look for a lightweight lotion for the morning, ideally with SPF 30 or higher. In the evening, you can use a thicker night cream. Those with dry skin may want to use a cream morning and night. Apply retinoid. Retinoid, vitamin A derivatives including retinol, can reduce dark spots, breakouts, and fine lines by increasing skin cell turnover, but they can also be irritating, especially for sensitive skin. If you use retinoid, know that they break down in the sun, so they should only be used at night. Apply face oil. If you use face oil, make sure to apply it after your other skincare products, since nothing else will be able to penetrate the oil. 3. Sleep on your back. Lying on your stomach while sleeping may look cool, but is not at all great for your skin. The entire weight of your head falls on the side of the face that squashes on the pillow. This can find lines and wrinkles on your skin to appear prematurely. Also, natural oils would get ripped off from the face when you sleep on your face. A good sleep is always correlated to healthy skin, but what if it's doing the opposite? Our sleeping positions can take a toll on the skin and cause acne, wrinkles. The signs can be puffy eyes, acne and flatter cheek only on one side. The way we sleep truly reflects on our look, and the position can affect the skin. 4. Invest in a silk pillow cover. Your beauty sleep will be more than perfect if you use silk pillow covers. As we tend to move a lot while sleeping, our skin rubs against the pillow cover fabric. Cotton-based fabric creates friction and absorbs the natural oils from the face, making the skin appear dry and lackluster in the morning. Using silk helps you to avoid any harsh friction. This will eventually result in you waking up with soft, unaffected skin in the morning. 5. Pile up the pillows area and make them look puffy in the morning. You can easily avoid this by using 2 pillows to elevate the head while sleeping. When you lay flat on the back, the body fluids accumulate around the eye. 6. Sleep early. Having a total of 8 hours of unaffected sleep is very important. Go to sleep as early as possible and keep your phone away. This will help you to have an undisturbed sleep, and you will wake up with a fresh glow in the morning. Your body boosts blood flow to the skin while you snooze, which means you wake to a healthy glow. Skip on sleep and your complexion can look drab, ashen, or lifeless. Sleep deprivation causes a decrease in blood flow to the skin surrounding your face, Broyce says. Skin becomes dull, and you don't get those rosy cheeks anymore. 7. Wear the hair in a bun. You do not want your hair to rub against the skin while you sleep, right? This is bad for your skin as well as for the hair, especially if your hair is greasy and oily. Tie it up in a high bun. This will keep your skin unaffected throughout the night and your hair will look super voluminous in the morning. 8. Avoid high-carb dinner. Maintaining a healthy diet is one of the most important parts of having healthy and glowing skin, so if you are trying to make better decisions in your beauty routine, you might want to look into what you are consuming, as there are some specific foods that could result in skin issues, with a correlation between what you eat and how your skin looks. Eating too much processed meats can be extremely damaging to your skin, containing high amounts of nitrates and sodium, including fast food, such as hamburgers and hot dogs. Potato chips will also cause dehydration and dark under-eye circles, so you might want to avoid fast foods and see the difference it makes for your skin. An excessive amount of alcohol is also bad for your body and your skin, causing dehydration and dry skin, speeding the aging process and creating premature wrinkles. Dairy products are not the best choice if you are trying to achieve healthy-looking skin, causing higher insulin levels and ultimately creating acne issues. However, there are lots of options you can look into, including plant-based milks and dairy-free products that will not trigger inflammation and oiliness. If you want to have rice, pasta, noodles for dinner, have it before 6 p.m., and otherwise stick to a protein-rich, low-carb dinner. Have soups, grilled meat/fish and vegetable salads for dinner. This will give you a chiseled face in the morning. When you eat too many carbs at night for dinner, you wake up with a puffy, swollen face. Follow this trick for a week and you will see the difference yourself. 9. Drink water at night. It is okay to drink detox water before going to sleep, but also make sure to drink enough water. When you sleep for 7 to 8 hours, your body does not get enough water at that time. So make sure to drink enough water before going to bed to compensate for that. Also, if you wake up in between your sleep, have a bottle of water at your bedside and sip some water. This will keep your skin hydrated and you will wake up with beautiful skin. Warm water increases blood circulation, helps your body to be able to break down waste, and increases sweat output. Sweating will cause you to lose some fluid through the night, but it will also remove excess salts or toxins and clean the skin cells. Drinking warm water before bed will keep you hydrated through the night and may help the body to rid itself of unwanted toxins. It may also help to relieve pain or cramping in the stomach. 10. Take care of neck, hand, and feet. It is not okay to have a glowing face and dull ankles, hand, feet and neck. Make sure to show them some love before going to bed. Apply creams and body butter at those areas too, as they tend to get dry quickly. This will keep those areas soft and you will wake up with beautiful, soft body in the morning. Do not restrict the healthy glow to just your face. Your entire body deserves to look fresh in the morning. 11. Avoid high sodium/salt food at night. Sodium, while a vital nutrient for the body, can sometimes be abused by eating too many salty foods. The primary function of sodium is to hold water in the body and keep fluids in a normal balance. Sodium is also a key element in the normal functions of your nerves and muscles, as well as helping control the total amount of fluid found in your blood. However, modern diets can contain too much sodium, or salt. Foods like French fries, hamburgers, potato chips, and many other salted snacks can have a large amount of sodium that often exceeds the body's daily allowance. This results in overconsumption of sodium, affecting many functions in our body, even our skin. Certain studies have proven that a high sodium diet at night can trigger acne breakouts, so it is recommended to keep salt intake low with your dinner. Also, a high salt diet will lead to water retention, making your face appear puffy with under-eye bags. 12. Make this natural overnight sleeping mask. Mix 2 tablespoons coconut milk and 1 tablespoon tomato juice together. If you have acne-prone skin, use jojoba oil instead of coconut milk. Apply this mask on clean face before hitting bed and rinse it off the next morning to wake up to beautiful skin. Our bodies have a tendency to heal better while we are asleep, and our skin also heals and repairs itself when we are asleep. This is why it is recommended that you use products that target any problem areas at night, as it will have time to penetrate deep into the skin. Sleep masks are used for this purpose only. They are also able to lock in any other products, such as serums, in the skin and have a much lighter consistency than night creams, meaning that they will not leave any oil stains on your pillow. Turmeric and milk mask, coconut oil mask, charcoal mask, lemon mask, olive oil mask, honey mask, aloe vera and vitamin E mask, egg white mask. 13. Honey and lemon mask. Here's another easy peasy overnight mask you could make with just 2 tablespoons honey in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix well and apply on thoroughly clean face and leave overnight. Rinse with warm water the next morning. Lemon contains alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, which help to remove dead skin cells. And honey is full of antioxidants as a natural antibiotic agent that fights free radical damage. Other benefits of the honey and lemon mask are it hydrates skin, clears acne, works as a gentle cleansing agent, dries out pimples, reduces redness and instantly soothes irritation, brightens skin, reduces dryness and even flaking, evens out skin tone due to sun damage or blemishes, and helps reduce scarring. Skin may be sensitive to lemon juice, so it's recommended to test a bit on another area of your body, such as inside your elbow, before you cover your face. Wait a few minutes to see if your skin reacts to the juice. One skin may be sensitive to lemon juice, so it's recommended to test a bit on another area of your body, such as inside your elbow, before you cover your face. Wait a few minutes to see if your skin reacts to the juice. 14. Banana peel mask. Eat the banana and rub the inside of the peel all over your face and neck area. Banana peel is rich in vitamin B6, B12, and protein. It helps to brighten up skin and also moisturizes skin. Leave it overnight and wake up with beautiful skin. When considering topical uses for bananas, one of the most notable ingredients is silica, a relative of silicone. Proponents claim that the silica in bananas can help increase collagen production, the natural proteins that help keep skin hydrated and smooth. Bananas contain nutrients, some of which may help with skin health. While bananas don't have the same pimple-fighting ingredients as tea tree oil, benzoyl peroxide, or salicylic acid, they're thought to help acne by reducing inflammation in the skin. From vitamin A, phenolic in bananas may also contain antimicrobials to treat acne lesions. While a face mask can't replace your daily sunscreen, bananas do contain antioxidants that might boost your skin's natural ability to prevent sun damage. Trusted source. Vitamins A, C, and D are the most notable. Because skin can be extra sensitive to the sun after coming into contact with lemon juice, make sure you follow normal sun exposure safety protocols, i.e., wear a hat and sunblock if you go outside afterward. This mask can be used every day, or as often as you like. You will probably see a glow right away, but if you apply it often you will really notice a difference over time. So, look no further than your kitchen, for you probably already have these simple skincare ingredients on hand to make a honey and lemon mask. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and remember to click on the notification. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.